On today's YouTube video, we're going to talk about the different types of PLR license. You want to understand the different types of licenses. So when you go and purchase PLR, you want to know what you're purchasing and what you can do with the PLR. Hi, I'm Sharlrita Deloatch. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, as well as the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I drop a new YouTube video. On this channel, we talk all things passive income for stay-at-home moms and wives. Here are the passive income streams that I talk about on this channel: writing and publishing books on KDP, affiliate marketing, being a UGC creator, passive cryptocurrency, and as well as digital products. Now, there are several types of PLR or private label rights licenses available, each with its own set of rights and limitations. Here are some of the most common PLR licenses that I've seen, purchased, or participated in. You have your basic PLR. Now, this license allows you, the buyer, to modify the content and use it as your own, but you cannot resell the content to others. Okay. So let me give you an example. And I want to try to give you an example with each one. Let's just say you go and buy a ebook and you decide to modify the content. You can use it for yourself and for your brand. Maybe you could put your name and as the author and those type of things, but you cannot resell it. You cannot resell the content to other people. So whatever you modify, you can't resell. Now, here's the most popular one, the Resell Right PLR. In my PLR store will have this license where you are allowed to buy. You are, as a buyer, allowed to resell the content to others, but you cannot modify it or claim it as your own. So let me go back. This is not the license I'm going to have. Okay, so this allows you, the buyer, to resell the content to others. So you may go buy an ebook and you can resell it to other people, but you can't modify it. Okay, or claim it as your own. That means you can't put your name on it. Okay, so there are some sites that do this where they will already have the pre-made ebooks or books available, or digital products. Now you can sell it. However, you can't put your name on it. And to me, it's like affiliate marketing. If you are an affiliate of someone else's brand or products and services, that's what resale rights remind me of. Now, you do have the Master Resale Rights PLR. This license allows the buyer, you, to resell the content to others and sell the resale rights to others as well. It allows them to create their own reseller network. Now, I've seen this as well. This is where you can buy, let's say you can buy some ebooks. Okay, you can resell those rights to other people. That means you can have a network of other resellers. So if you have a network and let's say you buy a bunch of ebooks, you can resell those ebooks to other people, and then they can in turn resell it to other people. Okay, so that's the master resale rights. Then you also have the giveaway rights PLR. This license allows the buyer to give away the content for free, but they cannot sell it or claim it as their own. All right, so that's self-explanatory. You buy an ebook, you can give it away for free as a lead magnet, but you can't sell it. Okay, then you have your personal use rights PLR. This license allows the buyers to use the content for their own personal use, but you cannot sell it, you cannot resell it or distribute it to other people. Okay, so you can use it as your own. There's a site called I can't think of the name of that site, but they have this as well. You have the personal rights. And they do this for graphics, and I cannot think of the name of that company. But they have personal use rights PLR, and I've seen it on their sites because I was able to purchase some graphics from them, but I can only use it for myself, so I wasn't there to resell it or distribute. So I'm using it for my own brand. So I want you to make sure it's important for you to be careful that you read the licensing terms of the PLR content that you're purchasing, because you want to understand your rights and your limitations of that license. It also helps you to avoid that potential legal issues or ensure that you're using the PLR content and you're compliant with the license term that the buyer has given you.